Okay, so the preposition 往 is often used to indicate the direction. Okay, so now we know the 往 is a preposition and it's often used to indicate the direction. So, and then we learn the words indicate the direction: the front, the back, left, and the right. Front 前前 back 后后 left 左 left 左左 and right 右右 right 右。Okay, so now there are four words to indicate the direction: 前后左 and 右. So now we can put the 往, so we can have a phrase using the 往, using the 往. Wait. We can put the 往 and the words indicate the direction to make a phrase, to have a phrase. So we can have 往前往前往前 So now if this is a road, this direction is 前 right? So if we go this way, and we can say 往前 往前 okay 往前 and this direction is 后 is back, right? Is in the back. So if we go this way and we say 往后 to indicate the direction 往后. And if we go this way, so this way is right, is left. So we say 往左 okay. And then we go this way. So this way is right, it's in the right. So we say 往右 okay. So we have 往前 and 往后 and 往左 and 往右 okay. So sometimes we add a word 走 here 走. So 往前走 So we have learned that 走 it means walk. It means walk. So here you can and you can so 走 it means you move. So 往前走 it means you go forward. 往前走 you go forward 往前走 okay. And 往后走，往后走 it means you go backward. You go backward. 往后走，往后走，往后走 okay? 往后走 So we also have the 往左走，往左走，往左走 So 往左走 we can translate it's turn left. Turn left. 往左走，往左走 turn left. Turn left. And turn right. Turn right. 往右走，往右走，往右走 Okay? So actually 往左走 and 往左 so they have the same meaning. They have the same meaning. So when you give the direction to someone and you can say 往左，往左 or 往左走 or 往左走 So they have the same meaning. Okay? And we have a common used phrase like home from some place, from some place. From 从 you're from some place, at some place, at a place, and as a go the direction 前后左右不对前后左右 So here we use a 往 and as the direction 前后左 and 右 So here we can say from here, here. Go forward. From here, go forward. You can say 从这儿，从这儿。Here is 这儿，这儿。OK，从这儿。往 forward 往前，往前走。从这儿往前走，从这儿往前走。So now you give a direction to someone, right? 从这儿往前走。From here go forward. From here go forward. So here you can change the here to the other place. Like from school go forward. 从学校往前走，从学校往前走。OK， 从学校往前走。Okay, now from 学校吧 from school and go backward. So this one from school go backward. From school go backward. How can we say it in Chinese? From some place and go the directions. 从 some place 往 as the direction. So from here go forward is mean 从这儿往前走，从这儿往前走。So now from school and go backward. From school go backward. To say that. So it's difficult for you. So if you don't understand, you can tell me and I can say it again. Hello. So give me some responses, okay?
Okay, let me try. 刚早刚学习完做做空
Okay. Okay.
刚学习完从此
从学校往左走。Okay, so from is 从 从 is a preposition from 从 Okay, the place school 学校 Okay, 从学校 is from school 从学校 from this this point 从学校 and the direction is 往 go backward back is 后 backward 后 go backward 往后走 as 走从学校往后走 is from school go backward 从学校往后走 Okay, the front is 前 okay, so I need to remember the directions 前后左 and 右前后左右 front back left and right 前后左右前后左右 so when you give the directions, you say we use a 往 as a direction so we have 往前往后往左 and 往右往前往后往左往右 and sometimes we add the 走 as end of the phrase we say 往前走 so here 走 you can understand it as you move and we use a 走往前走 and 往后走 go backward 往后走 and 往左走 and 往右走 and 往右走 okay Okay, let's see this one. This map. Oh, let's see how to give the directions. Okay, how to give the directions. So now we have the A. So now we need to get from point A. A is here. A from A to the B. 从 A 到 B. 从 A 到 B. So now let's see how do we get from point A to the point B. Okay, we use a direction. We use a 往 as a direction. 往 as a direction to indicate the direction. Okay. So first, where do we go first? First, 先. So we use the 先 first, and where do we go first? And then where do we go next? So we give the directions like this. First and then, right? So first is a 先. First is a 先. Okay, 先. So here we can see A is here. A is here. So first, we need to go straight or go forward, go straight or go forward, right? So we can say 先往前. Go forward or go straight is 往前. The direction is 前, right? 往前. So first 先往前. So first go straight. 先往前. So here we can add the 走. 先往前走. Okay. First go straight. 先往前走. And then turn left. We turn left. So left is 左. Left is 左, right? 左. And then 在 we have learned the 在. So then turn left. We say 再往左. 再往左. 再往左 is indicate the direction. 往左, okay? And here we can add the 走 or 再往左走. They have the same meaning. You can add the 走 or not. Okay? And then we need to turn the last step. We need to turn right. Turn right. So right is 右. So when we want to indicate the direction and we add the 往, so that's a 往右, right? 往右. And then 再, so 再往右走 or 再往右走. So now we can get from A to the B, right? So we can say, so now I give you the direction from the A to the B. I can say, first go straight, 先往前走, and then turn left, 再往左走, and then turn right, 再往右走. Okay? So now let's read this sentence together. Okay. So first sentence, 先往前走. 先往前走. Okay, and next one, 再往左走. Okay, then turn left. 往左走. Okay, last one. So last step. Then turn right. 再往右走. 再往右走. Okay, so do you understand this part? So if you understand this, so we go ahead, okay? So let's continue to see this map, okay? So now look at this picture. So we also have the point A and point B. So how do we get from point A to the point B? So I give you a direction, left, right, 左右, and front, back, 前后, and the 往, and as a direction, okay? And when we give the directions, you'll say first you need to go where, and then you need to go where, right? So I give you the first is a 先, and then is a 在, okay? So now the question is, how do we get from A to the B. So A is here. So which direction to go first? And which direction to go next? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now you can think about it, how to give the directions. Okay, Felix, right?
Yes.
Okay, you can try.
向往前走。
Hey, good. The first type. So first go straight. 先往前走. Good. Okay, let's see. The first step is 先 first go straight. First go straight. That's 先往前走. Good. 先往前走. Okay, and next step. Next step.
Next， 再往
Yeah.
走走。
哦，往左吗？左 is left. 左 is left.
再
So this way is right or left?
This is right. Yes, if it is right, then it's your.
右 right is 右.
So it's
嗯
再往右左。
Hey, good. So Titus, right? Very good. 再往右走. Good. 再往右走. Okay, so next step, and then
I think it's 再往后走。
is turn right, right? Turn. So first step, first go forward. 先往前走. And turn right. 再往右走. And then turn right, and then turn right. The same direction.
Madam, the third arrow, is it not reversing?
What? Can you say it again? I can't hear clearly. I didn't hear clearly.
Yes, I'm saying the third arrow. Is it not like reversing, which is the 再往后走?
再往后走吗? But I think it's turn right.
Okay, okay.
You turn this way is left and this way is right, right? So here you can say 往后走,往后走.
Excuse me, madam.
Yeah.
I want to understand that third arrow. Is it turning going to left or maybe it is going down? I want to understand from there because when we go up,
This
we
one
go
going
right,
down?
it is going down, then going right again. So is it reversing, going, it's not the opposite of going up, the first sentence?
Okay, so I think if we on the road, so A is here, so my head is here. I face this road here, right? So I go this way. I say go forward, 往前, right? So if I on the real road, I turn this way. So I say I turn 左右, I turn right, right? So when I in here, so in the real road, on the road, I turn right, right? I'm not going down because they are the different road.
Yes, it's clear now. It's clear, yes.
Right?
It's turning up.
Yeah. So
Yes,
maybe
yes,
it's
that's clear now.
I'm not good at painting. Yeah. We are on the real road. So here is turn right, right? And continue here. We also turn right. Okay. Okay, so from A to B, if I give the directions and I'll say, so 先往前走, first step, 先往前走, good. And then turn 再往右走. And then, so sometimes I will say when you arrived at the corner, 你到路口之后, it's after you arrived at the corner, and then turn right, 再往右走, and then you get another corner. So after you arrived at the corner and turn right, so 再往右走, and you will arrive at the B. B. 先往前走，往右走，再往右走，最后 family 再往右走 and you will get there. Okay. Okay, so I need to remember 先. So when we give the directions to someone and we always say, and first you go where, and then you go where, and the family or last, and you will get there. So remember 先 first and then 在, 先 and 在. Okay, so let's look at this. Okay. So here we can see the right points. So I'm here. I'm here. Okay. So I'm here. So this direction is the 前. The up is the 前, and down is the 后, right? And the left, 左, and right is 右. Okay. 前后左右. Okay. So we can 前后左右. We have the different place. We have the different points. 医院、餐厅、我家 and 学校. Okay. 医院 is hospital. 医院 hospital. 餐厅 is restaurant. Right, restaurant. 我家 is my home. 我家 and 学校 school. Okay, so now I need to answer the question according this map. So the first question is 往 which way? 走是医院。往 which way? 走是医院。Okay, so this question is says which way do we go to get to the hospital? Okay, 往 which way? 走是医院。And this one, 往 which way? 走是学校。Okay, 是 is. Okay, is. Okay, so now try to answer the questions according to the map. Wait, someone. Is a place. And if I go left, and we can see the thing. If I go right, and we can see here is a 学校. If I go backward, and we can see here is 我家. Okay, so the question is 往 which way? 走是医院。
Number one is 江 so 是医院。
往后走。往后走吗？后 is backward. 后 is back.
I mean 江 not 走 not 后江。
Okay, good. So can you read this sentence?
往向走医院。是医院。
往前走是医院。
我想
Good.
走是医院。
Good. 往前走是医院。Good. 往前走是医院。Good. 往前走是医院。If you go ahead, or you go forward, and going forward, and is a hospital, and you will see the hospital. 是医院。Okay, good. And the question two. 往 which way? 走是学校。
往右走是学校。
Good. So 学校 here is on the right. So 往右走是学校。 往右走是学校 okay okay so now we have these two places left right so can you make a sentence and follow this one and tell me the direction of this two places. 餐厅 and 我家，餐厅 and 我家。
往左走去餐厅。
Good. 往左走是餐厅。往左走是餐厅。Good. And then we have the 我家 left.
我家往后走。
我家往后走。往后走，应该可以往后走到我家。到我家，往后走是我家。往后走是我家。So to indicate the direction, so we say 往, we use a 往 at the directions to indicate往右、往后、往左、往右. So sometimes you give the direction, you can say 往 as a direction and as a 走往前走。往后走，往左走，往右走，往右走。Okay. Okay, so this is a 往。And I see the text. Let's learn the text. Text 1, text 2. Okay, first, 首先 let's listen to the recording. 听录音. So listen to the recording first. I say 先听录音. Okay. 先 listen. 录音 recording. 录音 recording. So listen to the recording. 听录音 So listen to the recording first. 先听录音。先录音。第13课。
第13课，门开着呢。Lesson 13. The door is open. 课文1，在办公室。Text 1. In the office.
门开着呢，请进。请问张先生在吗？他出去了，你下午再来吧。好的，谢谢。
New word.
这
Okay. So it's a text 1.
在办公室。
Text 1, 课文1. Okay. Okay. So I say the new words first. The new word is 遮. Okay, this is a particle. 遮. Okay, it used to indicate a state. So we use the verb adds the 着 the verb adds a 着 and to indicate a state, to indicate a state. Okay, 着 and verb as a 着. For example, 穿着 and as a clothes, 穿着 as a clothes, and you can use this to describe what is someone wearing. 穿着 something, 穿着 something, or 带着 remember 带着. And you can wear you can 带着 the accessories like the ring, the earring, or the bracelet, or the hat, 帽子戴着. Okay, 穿着戴着 something. Okay, so this is the 着. So let's see the text. So the text one takes place in the office. So office 办公室 office 办公室 办公室. So 室 it means a house, a room, or house or a room. So 办公 so you're working in the house. So the house and you're working, where are you working? So that's 办公室 office 办公室 office 办公室. In the office 在办公室 in the office this 在办公室. Okay, so I see A. A says 门开着呢，门开着呢 So it means that someone someone is standing in front of the door, and A sees him or her. It says 门开着呢 The door is open 门开着呢 Okay, 门开着呢 So we describe the door is on. The state is on, right? The door is open. 门开着呢 请进 as please come in. Please come in. 请进 please come in. 门开着呢请进. And this is 请问 Okay, 请问 请 is please. 问 is ask. 请问 is a very polite expression. Okay, it's very polite expression, and it can be used to attract someone's attention. So after saying 请问 and you can add the question you want to ask. And you add the question and you want to ask. 请问 and add the question. 请问 so it means may I? 请问 It's very polite expression. 请问 So the question is 张先生在吗？张先生在吗？请问张先生在吗 Okay, here. 张先生在吗 So 张先生 is Mr. 张先生 Mr. Okay. The surname at the 先生 Surname at the 先生 is a Mr. at the surname. Mr. at the surname. Okay. So Mr. as a surname in Chinese, we usually use in Chinese we put the surname as a beginning of the sentence. 张先生 Mr. 张先生 So is someone 在吗 So is Mr. Zhang here? Is Mr. Zhang here? 张先生在吗 Is Mr. Zhang here? 张先生在吗 So you to ask whether someone is present. We use someone at 在吗 Is someone here?在吗 Is Mr. Zhang here? 张先生在吗 Is okay, I see the T2s. Is T2s here? That's T2 在吗 T2s 在吗 Or is Mia here? Mia 在吗 So we use this form. Okay, someone 在吗 to ask someone is present. Okay. Someone 在吗 And then aces. Oh, he is out. He went out. Go out 出去 出去 Okay, went out 他出去了 and we add 了他出去了 He went out 他出去了 Okay, 他出去了 So he isn't in office now. And it says 你下午再来吧你下午再来吧下午 afternoon 下午 afternoon OK 下午 afternoon 你下午再来吧下午再来吧来 is come 再来 is again come again 下午再来吧 So please come again in the afternoon 你下午再来吧So here 吧 is there 吧 as end of sentence to indicate it's like a suggestion. It's like suggestion. 你下午再来吧 So you already came once in the morning, so came again in the afternoon. And we use 再来 come again 再来 come again 再来 OK 你下午再来吧 And B says 好的谢谢 OK thank you 好的谢谢 OK thank you Okay so it's the text one it's not it's a little easy so A so I'll so the question is so where did the Miss Zhang go so 张先生去哪儿了 Where did the Mr. Zhang go 张先生去哪儿了
Adam, you mean if we have a question on this text?
My question is Mr. Zhang in the office? 张先生在办公室吗？
太true 了。
他出去了。So is Mr. Zhang in the office? 他在办公室吗 So the answer is no. He isn't. He isn't in the office. So it's 不在。在 is in the office. He is in the office. 他在。He is in the office. 他在。他不在。He isn't in the office. 他不在。Because he went out. 他出去了。Okay, text 2. 课文2。
课文2，在办公室。Text 2, in the office. 那个正在说话的女孩是谁？
我知道她的名字，她姓杨，叫杨笑笑。她姐姐是我同学。
那个手里拿着铅笔的呢？
我不认识。
New words.
手拿铅笔。
Proper noun.
杨笑笑。
Okay, let's listen to the recording one more time.
课文2，在办公室。Text 2, in the office. 那个正在说话的女孩是谁？
我知道她的名字，她姓杨，叫杨笑笑。她姐姐是我同学。
那个手里拿着铅笔的呢？
我不认识。
New words.
手拿铅笔。
Proper noun.
杨笑笑。
课文3。
Okay, let's see the new words first. The first one is a noun. Hand. Hand. 手 hand 手 So in the hand, in the hand, in the hand. 手里手里 in the hand 手里 On the hand is 手上 On the hand is 手上 In the hand 手里 In the hand 手里 On the hand 手上 On the hand 手上 So we have two hands. We have two hands. So we can say 一双手一双手一双手一双手 Familiar word 双一双手 Okay, the next one, the verb. The verb to hold, to take, to bring. 拿拿拿 To hold, to take, to bring. 拿 to hold. Okay, it's a verb. The last one, pencil. 铅笔铅笔 pencil. 铅笔 pencil 铅笔 Okay.
Excuse me, madam.
Yes.
May you pronounce again word number?
Wait, which one?
Word number
铅笔
4 pronunciation.
Number 4, pencil. 铅笔 pencil. 铅笔 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 pencil. Okay, so number 2, the hand 手 手 so in the hand 手里手里手里 on the hand 手上手上 and the number 3, 拿 to hold to take 拿铅笔不是 person name of a person 杨笑笑杨笑笑 so Yang is a surname 笑笑杨笑笑杨笑笑 okay so text 2. Okay, text 2 is also takes place in the office 在办公室在办公室 Okay, let's see the A. So A says 那个正在说话的女孩是谁 Okay, it's a long sentence, right? So let's see 那个正在 too big. 说话的女孩 OK, 那个正在说话的女孩是谁 Wait. Okay, we can see this sentence is a long sentence, right? 那个说话的女孩是谁 Okay, so we can divide into 2 parts. So let's see this first part. 那个正在说话的女孩 Okay, 那个正在说话的女孩 So here, we can see here is a 的 Remember the is a marker of the attribute 的 Okay, so before the this part and they are the modifier and after the 女孩 is a girl 女孩 the 女孩 is a headman 女孩 Okay, 女孩 So we know 那个女孩 Okay, 那个女孩 那个 is that girl we say 那个女孩 that girl 那个女孩 Okay, 个 is a male word for the 女孩 so we use the 个那个女孩 that girl 那个女孩 But we can see so here in the text we can see in this picture we can see here there are 2 girls in the picture, right? So when we see that girl 那个女孩 so we don't know exactly which one it is, right? So at this point, we need to describe the growth characteristics further. So we need to add more modifiers to identify which girl it is, right? So now we can see she is speaking. We can see that she is speaking. She is speaking. Okay, so that's characteristics about the girl, about this girl. Okay, so is speaking. To speak is 说话. To speak is 说话. To speak is 说话. So is speaking. So we use a 正在 to indicate that an action is in process. So 正在说话 is speaking. 正在说话 So we have 那个 and the 正在说话. So both parts are modifiers of the girl. Okay. So 那个正在说话的女孩. 那个正在说话的女孩. So it's a girl who is speaking. 那个正在说话的女孩. So now we know the girl is this one. Right? She is speaking. Right? 那个正在说话的女孩. Two parts. And they both are the modifiers of the girl. 那个正在说话的女孩. And we know is which one? Okay. So we use a 那个, so it points to a direction and the distance is a bit far. So we use a 那个. We use a 那个 because the girls maybe is far away from the speakers. So we use a 那个. 那个正在说话的女孩. 那个正在说话的女孩. So when you say these sentences, we know which girls you're talking about. Okay. 那个正在说话的女孩 and then the second part 是谁 is a who 是谁 who is 是谁 who is. So who is that girl who is speaking. Okay. 那个正在说话的女孩是谁 Okay. 正在 okay 正在 is indicate that the action is in the process. 说话 is speak to speak 说话. 正在说话 is speaking 正在说话. Okay. 那个正在说话的女孩是谁 Who is that girl who is speaking? Okay, so now it's this girl, this one. 那个正在说话的女孩是谁 So A talk about her. And then B says, 我知道她的名字。我知道她的名字。我知道 is know, to know, 知道。I know, 我知道。Her name, 她的名字。Okay, her name, 她的名字。Her name, 名字 the name. I know her name, 我知道她的名字。Okay, 我知道她的名字。So here it's the subject as a verb as object. 主谓宾。So just follow this form. 我知道她的名字。Okay. 他姓杨。Okay. 他姓杨。So his surname is Yang. Her surname is Yang. 她姓杨。她姓杨。叫杨笑笑。OK， 他姓杨，叫杨笑笑。So 姓 is a surname. 姓 so 姓 as your surname as a surname. 姓 as a surname. 他姓杨 and 叫 as a full name 杨笑笑。OK, and then 他姐姐 is her sister. 他姐姐。Her sister is my classmate. Her elder sister is my classmate. 她姐姐is 是 is my classmate. 我同学。她姐姐 is her sister. You can say 她的姐姐 or 她姐姐。她姐姐 is my sister. Is my classmate. 她姐姐是我同学 ，my classmate， 我同学 ，classmate 同学，他姐姐是我同学 ，OK， 他姓杨，叫杨笑笑，and 他姐姐是我同学 ，her sister is my classmate， and then so we can see hey, there are two girls in the picture. There are two girls in the picture. Okay. 看一下这个图片。哎，我去吗？好吧。Okay, let's see this. And then A ask about another girl. Ask about another girl. So A says, 那个手里拿着铅笔的呢？那个手里拿着铅笔的呢？那个手里拿着铅笔的呢？ So here, 那个手里拿着铅笔的呢? So here, we use a 呢, right? So if we make the sentence more complete. So this question is the same question like this one. It's the same question. So we use a 呢. To shorten the question sentence. So if we make the sentence more complete, we can get the question is 那个手里拿着铅笔的女孩 OK 是谁？ So if we make the sentence more complete, we can say this. 那个手里拿着铅笔的女孩是谁？ So because the question is same as before. The question is same as before. So we want to ask about who is she or who is that girl, right? So we use a 呢 to shorten the question. Because the question is same. So we just say 那个手里拿着铅笔的呢？ So here as a 呢。那个手里拿着铅笔的呢？ So we just we ask the question is who is the girl holding a pencil in her hand? Okay. So let's see this one. Let's see this complete sentence. So let's see. So this part and this part. So the here. The here. Okay, the here. So before the there are the modifier. There's modifiers of the 女孩 of the 女孩. So 女孩 is a head noun. Right? Head noun. Okay. 女孩. So before the 那个手里拿着铅笔. So this part is modifiers of the 女孩. Okay, 那个 is that. That 那个 that. Okay, 那个 here. So 那个 okay, so the 女孩手里拿着铅笔. So these girls have the different actions. Have the different actions, right? So she holding a pencil in her hand. Okay, so it's 手里拿着铅笔。拿着铅笔。Here is holding a pencil. Holding a pencil. 拿着铅笔。So the girl is holding a pencil now, right? Holding a pencil now. So 是拿着铅笔。We use 着拿着铅笔。So in her hand is 手里拿着铅笔。So in her hand, and she holding a pencil. 拿着铅笔，手里拿着铅笔。So this is the girl's state. 手里拿着铅笔。那个手里拿着铅笔的女孩。So we know is this girl. This girl 手里拿着铅笔的女孩。Okay, so this part is describe his action or the state. Holding a pencil in her hand. 手里拿着铅笔。Okay. So I have a picture here. So here. So this girl, 铅笔 here, 铅笔 holding a pencil. So holding a pencil in her hand. So we say 手里拿着铅笔。手里拿着铅笔。Okay, 手里拿着铅笔。那个手里拿着铅笔的女孩 OK, 女孩 we talk about this girl. This girl 是谁 Who is a girl holding a pencil in her hand? 那个手里拿着铅笔的女孩是谁 OK, and then B answers 我不认识 I don't know 我不认识 Okay, so now look at this. 哎，不看这个吧，还是这个吧。So we have learned. So this girl holding a pencil in her hand. So we say 手里拿着铅笔 right? 手里拿着铅笔 So in this picture, we can see the girl holding a pencil in her hand. So we say 手里拿着铅笔 Okay, for this girl holding a pencil in her hand, we say 手里. 手里 ，OK， 拿着 pencil 铅笔，手里拿着铅笔 ，so we can say 他手里拿着铅笔， or just say 手里拿着铅笔。We can describe her action like 手里拿着铅笔 or 他手里拿着铅笔。Okay, so look at this picture. So we can see, so this one, and he is holding a phone in her hand. She is holding a phone in her hand, right? So how can we see that? You can just follow this one. So how can we describe this picture? Use the 拿着 using the 拿着
那家手里，那
拿着手里哦
那家手里，那家手机的那
对了，手机，对，拿着手机 ，that's right， 拿着手机 ，phone 手机拿着手机 ，so the 手机 is in her hand, in the hand, so we can add the 手里 here， 手里拿着手机 or just say 拿着手机 ，it's okay， 拿着手机 ，good， okay, and continue. I see this one. Okay, so now if you don't know them, if you don't know these two girls, okay, you don't know these two girls, okay, so now you don't know who they are, and you can just try using this structure. 那个正在说话的女孩是谁 You can try to use this structure to ask who each of them is. So first, we need to observe them actions, features or what actions they are doing. So first, we need to observe. So what actions they are doing? So this girl, she is dancing. She's dancing, right? She's dancing. So dance in Chinese, 跳舞。跳舞 to dance 跳舞 so she is dancing so is dancing we use 正在觉得可能会误会 is dancing 正在 okay so now can you try to make a question and to ask who is who is that girl ask about her first and follow this one follow this So can you make a sentence in this form to ask who is that girl?
那个在跳舞的是谁？
Good, very good. Okay. So so now we can see that girl is far away from us, far away from the speakers, right? So we use a 那个 that girl. Okay. So if the girl is close to us, is close to the speakers, we use this 这个 okay. So now we use a 那个 So first we use a 那个 So we just point to that girl 那个 那个 Okay, and the action. So what action is what action the girl is doing? She is dancing, right? She is dancing. So we can describe the action. 正在跳舞。正在跳舞。Okay, so both of these are the modifiers of the girl. So 有个的 and then 女孩，那个正在跳舞的女孩。So now we know exactly which girl we talk about. This girl, right? 那个正在跳舞的女孩。And to ask who is that girl? 是谁？是谁？谁 is a who means a who 那个正在跳舞的女孩是谁 So who is the girl who is dancing 那个正在跳舞的女孩是谁 Okay, if you don't know, you just answer I 我不认识 Okay, the last exercise. Okay, so now the last one, look at this picture. So there are two girls in the picture. So now I need you to ask the question to ask who is this girl. So to ask a question about this girl. To make a sentence and in the form, follow this form. So now we know she is wearing the right dress, right? The right dress. That's a different part from the other girls, right? So where is wearing right dress. So where is a 穿 So she is wearing a red dress, right? 穿着 red dress. That's 红裙子 So this is her characteristics, right? So when we say the wearing the red dress, so we know we talk about her. So now, can you make a sentence and to ask who is that girl?
那个穿着 红裤子是谁？
Oh, okay. You forgot the headman, the headman. So 那个穿着红裙子的。So there are the modifiers of the 女孩 right? We ask the questions like who is that girl? Who is that girl? So can you try to make a complete sentence again?
那个穿着红裤子的是谁？
Good, good. 那个穿着红裙子的是谁 ？It's right, it's right. Okay, let me see. 那个穿着红裙子的。So here you say 那个穿着红裙的是谁？那个穿着红裙子的是谁 ？So now you omit the you omit 女孩。So that's right, that's right. You can say the sentence like this. 那个穿着红裙子的是谁 ？So this is a 的 sentence. 的 sentence. So we just you can just use the phrase the phrase to indicate that girl. 那个穿着红裙子的 It's okay, it's right. Or if you want to or we can make a more complete sentence. 那个穿着红裙子的女孩是谁？那个穿着红裙子的女孩是谁 ？Or to say 那个穿着红裙子的 we know it's her. 那个穿着红裙子的是谁？Okay, very good. 那个穿着红裙子的女孩是谁 ？Okay, so if you don't know, we just say 我不认识。